Hey there, I'm Rita Bearcat, and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is day 13 of 30 days of art challenges. I'm doing this in my art journal, and this I'm really super excited because this is my last 2 pages in my art journal. I had kind of started a little bit of coloring on the page before, and I really hadn't done anything with it, so I was down to my last 2 pages, so I figured I better work on it. So right now I'm putting down some gel medium, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of collage, adding some music paper onto these pages. And this is part of several videos I have, if you haven't seen the other ones before, of challenges that I've been doing. And I've also sent them to my subscribers of 30 days of art challenges. And if you're interested in those, I will put the link below and I can send those to your inbox for you. Now, you don't have to put them on YouTube. I just did that for myself just so that I would complete the challenges. And I figured if I did it publicly, then I would go ahead and finish them. So right now I'm still doing some more collaging, and my idea for this piece is taking something that was, I'm taking a music lyric, and it's talking about the music, and all of a sudden when the music gets quiet and hearing that small still voice when the music fades. And so I wanted to represent that in my book as well in the pages. So I'm putting a lot of music collage papers together, just kind of representing a lot of music going on and a lot of things happening. And so at the same time that that's happening, then I will take and tone down the center of it so that I could have the journaling piece in the center that is representing what I am actually journaling on the page, which is talking about when the music fades. And so kind of making something literal right there on the piece with the journaling and with the creative part of this. And I'm using tissue paper, and I'm also using, it's actually wrapping paper, which I love. I love having music wrapping paper. And when you're using gel medium, what's really great about gel medium is that as long as you're covering it top and bottom, it works really well. You can pretty much use anything that you have, anything that you find in your stash. So right now I'm using some acrylic paint and just trying to get that color. And so to me, music is represented with not just notes, but, you know, the highs and the lows and the flowing of the music. You know, some of that to me, it is like color. And so I wanted to add some color into that, just kind of representing different parts of a song or several songs going on at once, so that I can really make that expression of there's a whole lot going on, and then we're talking about when the music fades, and then there's just this still, quiet, small voice. And so just being very literal with the art compared to what I'm trying to say on the piece. So I'm using some acrylic beige paint in the background there to try to tone down that piece, and then using a little bit more gel medium to adhere this piece of journaling onto the page. And you can see there, just kind of blending that all in together. And so sometimes when you're doing your art journaling, it can take a very literal sense, and that's what I did today. So I hope that you enjoyed this piece. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I would like it if you would subscribe to my channel. And if you want those challenges in your inbox, go ahead and follow the link below, and I will send those to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.